Today we're looking at line trimmers, and in particular the Stihl FSA 85 battery powered line trimmer. The model that we have here has an AP300 lithium-ion battery, which is a middle of the range battery. The battery itself has a power level indicator on the back. Push in the button, 4 lights, and that means it's fully charged. There's a simple on-off switch. There's also a double action trigger, and that fires up the machine. There's a rubber grip handle, but you can also get a shoulder harness that you can attach to this model if you want to. The cutting head itself features a bump type automatic line feeder, and the line itself is a 2mm line. As you can see, this is a straight shaft model. You can also get a very similar bent shaft model. The main advantages are that it's lighter in weight, which means that it's easier to operate. You don't have to worry about starting it with a rope start, which is again a good thing, especially if you have a shoulder injury of any type at all. And it's also quieter than the fuel-powered line trimmers. The other advantage is that maintenance of this is minimal. You don't have to worry about dirty fuel. You don't have to worry about clearing air filters and spark plugs and cleaning carburetors and that sort of thing. Runtime with the AP300 battery will be about 45 minutes. You can get longer life batteries. Once you have the charger and the battery, you'll find that these also work on lawnmowers, chainsaws, leaf blowers, hedge trimmers, and a range of other products. So this cuts down on cost dramatically when you're buying a number of tools. So if you're looking for a line trimmer, then we believe that the Stihl FSA 85 is one to consider. If you have any questions, ask them in the box below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for updates on all aspects of gardening and gardening tools. And good luck with your gardening.